Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set keep messages history forever, 1 year or 30 days. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, we're going to tap on settings. In settings, go down, and then we go down and tap on messages. Now swipe down and tap on keep messages in the message history. By default, it is set to forever. That means all your incoming text messages won't ever be deleted until you do so. Or you can choose 1 year, and then it said that delete all the messages. This will permanently delete all text messages and message attachments from your device that are older than 1 year. If you are sure, you can tap on delete or cancel, or you can choose 30 days. And that's it. So make your selection, and then you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.